Hi, good day. In this video, I will share with you an idea that is original or is it contributed by the founder of this brand of chili sauce, right? This is the original Ipoh spicy natural Nyonya garlic chili sauce, right there, garlic chili sauce. Maybe that. So what is required in this company internally is that they need to issue a payment voucher or so-called online voucher. So there's a need to there's a need to copy this one and then copy this single voucher and then paste it right below. Okay, so now that the thing is that how do I get this number here? How do I copy and paste it without just required to every time need to copy and then paste it below? This is a kind of time consuming thing. So the founder engaged me, find me from my Facebook page, right? And then talk to we have a consulting session and we come up with this. I understand the requirement. Then it took me an hour to do that. So to understand the requirement, and then I created this. Maybe that is what is required by him. Okay, let's see what it does, right? So basically you need to identify where is the starting point, what's the end point for this copy area, and then you paste it below. So yes, it requires just like what the founder says, right? Eugene, he says that it consists of science and maths and even some arts to solve this issue, right? So let's click on this special button right now. Right now you can see that it is at the OV is number 3. Now when I click on this, right, so what's the next online voucher number? So number 3, right? So what's the next one is that so let's look at that. Let's click here. All right, we're done. The next one is 04, and you can see that this is 04 right there. So now if I click here one more time, it has another set of voucher. So and now the is 5, number 5, and you can see that this is right 5. I'll just click one more time, it becomes 6, and the current voucher tells you it's 6. Now we have a listing here that will show you what is the current one. So we can just, so in other words, you can just click to get the until the end, right? So then you can adjust it accordingly. So that's it, right? This is how to another usage of using the macro to help you copy and paste smarter. Okay, so I hope you learn something useful, and thanks to the founder Eugene of this chili sauce brand, right? This brand is the 真香辣. Yeah. Okay, this is the trademark. Let's just look at it here. This window. Yes, homemade 真香辣. Homemade 香辣. Okay, so that's right. So that's it. Thanks for watching. And if you're interested to get this Nyonya chili sauce, right, you go to this website here. I also paste it in my YouTube link here. Thanks for watching.